Yo, 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 happy Saturday. Another busy weekend adventure coming up. This weekend, just for something different, it is another Jeep end. Jeep muster weekend for the Melbourne Jeep Owners Club. So I'm heading off today down to the Westburn area near Westburn. And we've got Ellis Track, which is famous, difficult Ellis Track in Victoria. Very hard track here. Followed by tomorrow's extreme adventure, Westburn panel beaters. So that sounds a little bit frightening for poor old Jim. Anyways, we are on our way, making good time. I do see the police. Double demerit points on the weekend, so it's time to be careful. Anyways, no more speeding and making our way. Get up the first obstacle. Here we are. Tell us what's going through your head.
I think that's off the...
Do you want a hand? Or are you going to leave it there?
It should be right now.
The V8 of winches. Do a quick bit of videoing and I'll help you. Once again, winching. A very nasty little tree root just up here that kicks you off into the really difficult side and there's a real chance that you're going to tip onto your side and roll. So, Jerry's been helping everyone pass that little tree root. Ooh, and we're going to see what his problem is up ahead. He's on a bit of a lean. Sure he's not too happy about that. Let's go check it out. Righto, mate. Send it. Good, it'll come across. Good. Last obstacle of the day, awesome track. Need to winch up it though, we're just not going to make it.
Broke the CV. Oh, the uni, not a CV.
It's cold down here.
Righto. So here's the problem right here. That should be in there.
And it should be all around here, not sheared middle.
Yeah. So 4 o'clock. It's not quite 4 o'clock yet. Have you been here so long now that you're feeling like you're going native?
Yes, exactly.
That was the end of the hard bit. Just a few more TJs to go. What a freaking day. Good work to the M-Jock team.